Welcome to this tutorial on how to migrate to Axie Infinity v4. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game that has recently upgraded to version 4, offering improved gameplay and features. To take advantage of these updates, players need to migrate their existing accounts and assets to the new version. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Axie Infinity software installed on your device. You can download the latest version from the official Axie Infinity website. Once installed, log into your account using your existing credentials. Next, you will be prompted to migrate your account to version 4. This process involves transferring your existing Axies, items, and other assets to the new version. To do this, click on the Migrate button and follow the on-screen instructions. During the migration process, you will be asked to link your existing wallet to the new version. This is a crucial step, as it ensures that your assets are transferred correctly and securely. Make sure you have access to your wallet and follow the instructions carefully. Once your account and assets have been migrated, you can start exploring the new features and gameplay of Axie Infinity v4. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the updated interface and mechanics. And don't hesitate to reach out to the community or support team if you have any questions or issues. It's also important to note that the migration process is a one-time event. And once you have migrated your account, you will not be able to revert back to the previous version. Therefore, make sure you are ready to make the switch and have completed any necessary tasks or activities in the previous version before migrating. In conclusion, migrating to Axie Infinity v4 is a straightforward process that requires some basic steps and precautions. By following this guide and taking the necessary time to understand the new features and gameplay, you can ensure a smooth transition and start enjoying the improved experience that Axie Infinity v4 has to offer. Remember to stay up to date with the latest news and updates from the Axie Infinity community. And happy gaming!